I was been thinking about this one, guys. Everybody's thinking about using a Hydrate lipstick. I saw this one in Sephora. This one is actually bestseller in Sephora. Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel, guys. So since it's summer, I was been thinking about this one, guys, because everybody's thinking about using a Hydrate lipstick or Hydrate Plump. I saw this one in Sephora, and this one is like a mini kit, like a travel bag or something like that, but it does have like a 5 different plumper lipstick that you can wear every day or like for your travel. So I was thinking about reviewing this one, and so that you guys can see, because this one is actually bestseller in Sephora. You can find this one in Sephora.com. So it's value of 87 US dollars, and you can get it for like $30. So you get that $40 on save on this little pump kit. One of this one is a regular size. It has that a really cute pink bag or something like that. So there's like 4 are mini, but it's not like a 2 mini, so a good enjoyable time on this. And then you have that one regular right over here. Since I did my makeup already because I was gonna go out and do something, I want to do a quick review for this one since it's summer and everybody wanted to use a lip plump or lip gloss or something like that. So I think that I should show you guys this one because I was really excited to order this online. This one is the Sugar Fresh Advanced Therapy. This one is actually, I have this before and I have used this one for a long time, and I really do love the Sugar Fresh brand. And the Too Faced, you guys seen that I review a lot of Too Faced. This one is the mini one, but a lot of people have used the Too Faced, so this one is really good. We do have the Flawless Forget the Filters. I have not tried this one, and it looks like you have like a color inside in here. If I like it, this one, I'll probably buy the full size. And then of course the NARS. Oh my god, I love NARS. When I used to work in Sephora, I will buy NARS. They're just so expensive. I think this one, it's more like lip gloss, plum or something like that, but it has that color which is really nice. Then you don't have to worry about, you know, putting like lip balm and then lipsticks at the same time, so you can have that color in your lips. So this one, it's already in there. And of course you have the rose ink in here. This is the full size. I have not tried or use this one. It's like a pencil style, but you can just twist it right here and then it gives you the whole color is right in there. Anyway guys, this one is great because, you know, like I said, you have all this you wear for, like, you know, you're traveling. If you're traveling, this is gonna be a really great lipstick you'll have on your purse or your makeup kit. So let's try this one so you guys can see. So I wanted to try the rose ink first. So has that like the really beautiful color. So you have that, it's more like in between brown and rosy. So I think that's like in between brown and rosy. So this one is great. This one, it definitely, I love it. It's beautiful color, as you guys can see on my lips. It's really pretty. It has the enough moist to hold it like pretty much, not, I wouldn't say the whole day, but it won't get your lips like really dry. It's still have like that moist and feeling, and it has that creamy peeling. So this is a really nice, I love the color. So I might have to use this one today because I really like it. So let's try the next one. We're gonna use the NARS. Since I love NARS, I have used NARS before, and I'm expecting this one is gonna be the same thing I know about the NARS. I can see on the very end it's kind of like a very moist already, so that's really great. You see how the tip on this NARS lipsticks, it's already oily and moist. So let's try this one, guys. Wow, this one, guys, you guys have to try this one. this. Do you guys remember the one that I reviewed, the Clinique? For me, this one is better than that one. It's really, really good. Very moist. It only gives you a little bit of rosy lips on this color. Good, very lightweight. It's not too greasy. It's creamy. This one is definitely gonna be my favorite one in 2022. Next one is the Flawless Forget the Filter. So that's the one. This one is like a lip gloss. This one, I don't know if I like it. It's a little bit sticky for me in the very end. Actually, if you wait it for like few minutes, you start to feel like the mint and plump on your lips. So this one, it's definitely a smoothing gloss. If I would wear this, I would mix it with NARS because it's actually like a plump. And then we're gonna try this one, toothpaste. It probably won't be a different because this one is already plump, but we're gonna try anyway. I have tried this. I have this already and I tried it before. I love the toothpaste and I think everyone knows that this one, it's actually a very good lip plumper. So I love the smell of this toothpaste. It's really, really nice and beautiful. And if you guys haven't tried this one, you should try it because you would not regret it, because this one is a really, really good from Too Faced. These two are must have because if you want to have something like lip plump but in between or something like that, you don't have to go get some weird machine to put on your lips to get a little plump. This one, it gives you a little bit of that and it's nice. So the Sugar Fresh, I'm not going to try it with you guys because I'm sure all of you guys knows this one. This is just the regular lip treatment, so this is not going to try it. But what I'm going to do, since I have this all plump on my lips, I'm going to put this NARS because I love these colors. This is the lip color I'm going to have the whole day today, and I'm going to keep this one. All of this, it's really, really, really good. It's perfect to travel. It's perfect for your everyday, and it's perfect to carry it in your purse. And whenever you guys go, you'll have all this one. So that's the one that you guys will see in Sephora. It is a bestseller in Sephora. Cost you $30 and worth 87 US value. Is actually, if you try it, guys, it's more than that because it's everything. It's really, really good. So that's all I can say on this little kit. You have all you needed inside in here that you would be wearing it during the day. So but anyway, I'll see you guys again for my next video. Bye. I'm